Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Claes Nilsson, President, Volvo Trucks.
Guten Morgen, meine Damen und Herren. Ich freue mich, Sie hier auf der IAA bei Volvo Trucks begrüßen zu dürfen. Welcome to Volvo Trucks. Here in our stand, you're surrounded by the power of knowledge. This is our main theme here at IAA, demonstrated by a number of innovations that make Volvo Trucks number one when it comes to combining productivity, performance, and fuel economy for our customers. The latest proof will be released here at IAA tomorrow. And we today have the privilege to make a pre-announcement exclusively for you. We are proud to announce that the Volvo FH with a 460 horsepower 13-liter Euro 6 engine and I-Shift transmission has won the prestigious German Fehrenkötter long-term multi-brand test. The test actually stretches over 2.5 years in real-life customer operations. And on top of winning the overall evaluation, which focuses on total cost of ownership, the Volvo FH also had the best fuel economy. The Fehrenkötter victory proves that Volvo Trucks' unique powertrains are more powerful and efficient than ever before. For us, combining high productivity and good drivability with fuel efficiency, it's much more beneficial for the customer than just focusing on one or the other. By developing and manufacturing the engines and transmissions ourselves, we can ensure optimal integration and communication between the components to achieve the best possible balance between excellent performance and low fuel consumption. The updated powertrain, which was launched this spring, is even more efficient than the powertrain in the Fehrenkötter test. And the updated version consists of a further enhanced Euro 6 engine and Volvo Trucks' unique I-Shift. The two most significant improvements on our D13 engine are a higher compression ratio on the 420 and 460 horsepower versions, and a new optimized turbocharger on the 500 and 540 horsepower variants of the D13 engine. A number of improvements of the aerodynamics lower also the fuel consumption even further. Just how much fuel these powertrains and aerodynamic improvements can save depends a lot on the truck specification and application, but it definitely translates into significant savings for the transport companies. This is confirmed by another recent German test. The FH with an enhanced D13 engine and I-Shift once again came out as the champion, both when it comes to the lowest fuel consumption and highest average speed. This year, we are proud to announce an anniversary of a unique technology. Our I-Shift transmission celebrates its 15th year on the roads. And during this time, it has moved from a promising upstart to the absolute industry benchmark. Today, 92% of all new Volvo trucks globally are equipped with I-Shift. And in Europe, it's as high as 95%. And a wide range of software choices for the basic I-Shift, plus our two additional unique versions with the dual clutch and the crawler gears, give substantial customer benefits in all transport applications. The recently introduced I-Shift with crawler gears is a world first that provides exceptional startability up to 325 tons in severe situations. And this is unique. That I-Shift dual clutch delivers excellent performance and drivability has been confirmed in our customers' daily operations, but also lately under very extreme conditions. This groundbreaking I-Shift dual clutch transmission is part of the powerful Iron Knight truck that has set 2 FIA world records this summer. The mean-looking record breaker, which is displayed here behind me, is custom built in every detail. And apart from the engine and the standard-mounted I-Shift dual clutch, which is truly remarkable, considering that it manages 2,400 horsepower and 6,000 Newton-meter of torque in the Iron Knight. Taking a glimpse into the future, our new Volvo Concept Truck is the result of 5 years of research, brings the power of knowledge even further. Fully developed, the concept truck will be able to cut fuel consumption by more than 30% in long haul, mainly thanks to aerodynamic improvements and the new groundbreaking powertrain technology. Stay tuned. We'll tell you more about this in the near future. Finally, I want to highlight 2 areas that are on the top of our industries and customers' agenda: connectivity and automation. Volvo Trucks has a leading position with connected services. All new FH and FM trucks are enabled for connectivity, and we have already delivered up around 300,000 connected Volvo trucks globally. We continue to sharpen our connectivity offer by extending the communication between the truck and the workshop. By this, we further maximize our customers' uptime. Monitoring vehicle components online enables the Volvo workshop to be proactive by turning unplanned stops into proactive planning. In the near future, we will also minimize workshop visits even more by enabling ownerships to swiftly download software updates themselves. Connectivity is also one of the key enablers for automated driving. Our work in this future-oriented field focuses on applications where automation will enable new customer benefits. Mining operation is one example. And just a few weeks ago, we demonstrated the capabilities of our autonomous FMX in the Boliden mine in the northern Sweden. These images of our self-driving FMX operating flawlessly hundreds of meters below the ground, fully integrated in the mining company's production system, once again emphasize Volvo Trucks' firm focus on innovation and powers our unique ability to drive progress for our customers.